Hello, beautiful people. We're heading out today. I'm taking Jack to the doctor, and then we're gonna go to HomeGoods and see what's in the store. Okay, so let's go. But this is what I'm wearing today: some Fendi slides, Zara jeans, Madewell jacket, and Hermes scarf. And later. Y'all, remember I showed you something like this? It's a book stand. I think I'll show you one on Wayfair. This one is $39.99. Let me get it. I like this bust piece here. It's very pretty. And it's $19.99. That's nice. This would be nice like on a bookshelf, in a bathroom. This bowl itself is very, very pretty. I like this a lot. This is perfect for the fall season. That's really, really pretty. And let's see the price. $50. That's nice. This is nice. With like some faux stems in it. That'd be pretty. And you can put something else beside it as well. Hopefully I can hear a bit of music. But I saw this marble. It's a book display. I do want one, but I just don't want it to be white. But it's $40. It's really, really pretty. And I've linked some from Wayfair. That is cute. Also, I'm seeing these kind of grandma chic lamps. I think they're very, very cute. I'm trying to find one to show you that's not plugged in. Hold on. Like, look at this. Like, this is so pretty. In like a room, her guest room. This would be so cute for $60. And if you don't like the shade, it's just cute. It's cute. Would y'all do this? Let me show you another neutral color. Hold on. See, I would definitely do this one. This is really, really pretty. I love this. This is so, so cute. It's $60. Love it. Okay, let's keep on going. Like, this is another way to incorporate fall. Like, this is so pretty if you're gonna host, like for hosting this season. It's pretty. Then they have these. Like, these are pretty. I think that's another way to do it without doing like all the pumpkins. Look, they have this color. That is pretty as well. Look at all these wreaths. These are so beautiful. Hi guys, it's it's a few days later. Guys, hey, I'm making a video. Let's be respectful. So, I went to HomeGoods, but before I went to this HomeGoods, people, production. So before this visit to HomeGoods, JB and I did a live in HomeGoods. Some of you guys were on it, but while I was there, we picked up a few things. I'm going to show you what we got. Now, the first I'm going to show you. Can you see it? Love that. Love, I can hear that song. Love is going to be copyright. So y'all know I'm a big RH shopper, right? But some things in RH I will pay the price and not really flinch. Certain things I won't. But JB and I was in let me show you this task lamp. It is so beautiful. It can be adjusted. The switch is on the side. You probably can't see it. I'll show you later. See, it can become taller and it comes down. I was trying to see if you could flip the top, but you can't. And it has like a little foot press, so you don't gotta like worry about a switch. The switch is like you can just step on it and move on. I got two. I'm gonna give you a close up of what it looks like. One was $149 per piece, so $250 compared to the ones I've seen myself at RH. The ones I see sometimes at RH will be like $400 or $500 a piece. No, they're a little bit heavier. But in all honesty, it's the same thing, right? And I bought the bulbs from Amazon to fit within here. But these are so beautiful. At first, oh gosh. At first I had them in my family room and Jib was like, no. So put them in here in the front room over these RH chair. Just like, you know, if you want this like a little sitting thing for us. So you can come here and sit and read. You can come out here have coffee. It just gives you a moment just to kind of relax, and that's what I want the space to be. So for right now, they work right here. Let me show you something else that we got from HomeGoods. Okay, so to know me is to know that I love luxury. I love nice things, but I also love a good deal, right? So does my husband. So anyway, we were in HomeGoods and JB saw this artwork on the other one over there. I'll show you the other one. You can probably see it a little bit. But anyway, he saw these and he said, you know, babe, they will look good on the wall. Now, y'all know I've been torn with this wallpaper. Should I take it down? Should I put mirrors up? What should I do? I even went to ChatGPT just to get some ideas. And it gave me a sketch if I put some mirrors up here, which I did like. But then when JB showed me this and thought, and he said, you know, babe, this is... Hey, Jay! Come here. Let me see if I want to come on camera. Hold on. So he can explain it to you guys and see. Do you want to come and explain to the people why we got this artwork?
What artwork? Oh.
Let's see. You want to come and do it? Why you cover your finger? You cut it? How you cut it?
Opening the can stuff.
Is sending up? Is it same cut like me?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. Go ahead, but we want to sit on it.
No, good. Hey, how y'all doing? So we found this in HomeGoods. HomeGoods, right?
HomeGoods.
It was HomeGoods. So what jumped out to me was the different textures. The size, number one, it's being a very, very nice size. You want a kind of oversized picture, and I know that it would look good against this particular wallpaper. If you look at the framework, falls in line with the branches on the trees. So you didn't want anything that was going to be too bold. I think the gold accents of the sconces or the lights is going to play off of the beautiful color that's actually in the wallpaper. But we're talking about the pictures itself. The pictures itself, if you look at it and you look closely, it's a mixture of textures, right? You don't have one flat texture. You have a number of textures. For example, you have lines in a certain direction. You have lines in another direction. Then you have another box down there.
Hold on, babe.
Go ahead, babe.
So I'm gonna insert a clip of the picture while JB's talking, because we have to be careful because we got a deal. Remember?
Correct.
Right. Okay.
Correct. But you got almost like a painting type texture down at the bottom. Then you have almost like a cloth type material, which really pulls away from the hardness of the other structures or styles within the picture. So that material, the one that looks like it's kind of suede or some type of paper.
A paper mache.
Yeah, a paper mache, if you say it that way. Thank you for that. It gives a softer tone to it. It's no longer looking like construction type of material, looking like placards or anything like that. But I just love the design. The design flows fairly well. It's not simple. It's different. And one of the things that me and my wife talked about, and she'll show you another picture of the other one on the other side. It's the same color. It's just about the same texture, but it's different, just a little different. Which in turn, I think that the space allows for the difference in variations. But that's really why I picked it and brought it to my wife's attention.
Well, I told JB I like what I was concerned about the framing against the wallpaper and then having the dark wood floor. That was my biggest concern, and also both pictures had some imperfection, which led us to getting a really good price for both. But it just goes to show that I'm very flexible in all that I do.
But she's very flexible. I agree with her. But I think we have thrived off of imperfection, right?
Yeah.
Not finding pictures, not finding things that are perfect, that looks together, that aesthetically pleasing to the eye. And that kind of describes not only our marriage, but it describes our life, right? It's not perfect. It is almost a puzzle sometimes
But
put
it works.
together, but it works, right?
It works.
And we understand that. So finding things like this that's imperfect, I think that's perfect for us. For other people, it may not be.
Okay, so what thank you, babe. So what would be a home good tip you give to the people? It would like, because I felt like I didn't see this, but you saw it. So you're saying just look at imperfection things and
yeah.
Okay.
Look for imperfection, right? Imperfection does not mean one thing that our entire marriage has been is one man's trash is another person's treasure.
That's true.
Right? So you got to have an eye. You got to take your time looking for stuff. If you're trying to go in there and all of a sudden you see it and you like, oh, that's it. That's not, in my opinion, is not going to last long, right?
Right. But also, or make trend dictate how you make a purchase.
Absolutely correct.
Okay, yeah.
Absolutely correct.
Okay.
I think our style has been, and we've grown to this, is we're not trying to be like everybody, have no desire to be like everybody. We want to feel comfortable in our space and not have to worry about if this person has it or they don't have it, or the case may be. We're just trying to enjoy it ourselves. And that's a tip to you all, which is
you're correct.
Enjoy yourself. Enjoy life.
Enjoy your space.
Stop trying to be like everything and everybody and trying to be shaped like everybody.
Oh my God.
All that good stuff. Enjoy your life because it's your life and it's short.
Love you. Thank you. See, that's why we can't bring mine every time, okay? But thanks, love. But yeah, I'm going to give you a close-up, or you've probably already seen the close-up of the detail of both pictures. And then I think we're going to have someone come and get it hung for us on the wall. But yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, guys, I realized that I did not have an outro for the video. But before I wrap it up, I've been thinking, right? For the past maybe 2 to 3 weeks, I've been doing these impromptu lives mainly at HomeGoods or HomeSense. And for those that's been in live, thank you so much. And some of you guys asked me to go to Restoration Hardware, CB2, all different stores, and I will do that. But I was also thinking about starting the what is it called on YouTube, the subscription, and then I could do the live within the subscription and share with you guys some really good tips and different stuff like that. But I'm just thinking about it. I'm thinking about it, right? That's gonna be like next year. But I love doing the live though, so the next live might be at our age or something like that. But stay tuned for that. Make sure you turn your notification when I pop on, y'all. Come in there and chat with me as well. But thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Shout out to my husband. I hope you guys enjoy his thought process of how he, look at things and kind of convince me a little bit how to, get on board with his ideas. But I love it. And I think you guys might see him more in the video. Now that we're going to get closer to the holiday season. But comment, let us talk in the description box. In the comment section, I'm tired, clearly. Have a good night. Thanks, guys. Bye. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next Sunday.